In this video, I will show you now how to fix could not open file error display on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Okay, just like what you see right here, this particular image right here. So if I go back and then click on the image again, and then you find out that it keeps telling me that could not open file right here. How do you fix this problem? For the first thing you need to do is to understand the file extension. For that, go ahead and click on here, and the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on file info. Now the file info here stated that the file is JPEG file, which simply means it is an image, and you can see the file name right here, a.jpg, which means that some of the information or file extension has been fully mixed from this particular image, making it difficult to open. How can we fix the problem? Next thing we want to do is to resort to the online solution, and for that I'm going to access from the web right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Chrome browser. So after you open up your browser, you can use any browser available for you. I'm going to click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab, and the next thing I'm going to do is to click on search Google or app, and I'm going to simply type in, and then go ahead and click on open corrupted images file. Hit enter, and you will be presented with different websites right here. The first website here is jpeg.repair. The next one here is officerecovery.com and microsoft.com, and then you can scroll down and see different other websites that can help to fix this particular problem. Yeah, scroll down right here, and I'm going to make use of this particular website right here, repair.stellarinfo.com. So I'm going to click on this site right here, and it's going to open up like so. Upload your corrupt photo. Go ahead and click on upload photo. Then you'll be asked to log in with your detail, or go ahead and simply click on here to sign up. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. Select your Google account. Then scroll down and continue. Then we have fully logged in. We can now go ahead and click on upload photos. Click on photos and video. Then the file is located in my file manager. I'm going to click on file manager. Under file manager, click on images. From the images right here, I need to locate where the image folder is. So the image folder is in WhatsApp image. So I'm going to click on WhatsApp image right here, and I'm going to simply select this, which is the corrupt photo, and I'm going to go ahead and click on done right here to upload the photo to the web. After a successful upload, you can see the progress right here. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on start repair.